Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering precise ingredients. Use 100 g aged egg whites, 200 g powdered sugar, 110 g almond flour, and 30 g granulated sugar. Sift almond flour with powdered sugar 2 times to remove lumps and measure precisely. Whip egg whites with 1/4 tsp cream of tartar until soft peaks, then add granulated sugar and beat to stiff, glossy peaks. Fold in dry mix using macaronage technique until batter flows in a thick ribbon. Let piped shells rest 20-40 minutes until set up a heavy 10-12 inch pan with a tight-fitting lid and a low metal trivet or a wire rack inside. Preheat the empty pan on the stovetop over low for 5 minutes. Place parchment-lined baking sheets with piped shells on the rack, cover, and steam bake over the lowest flame for 12-16 minutes, rotating pans once at 8 minutes for even heat. Use low steam only, avoid boiling water contact. Cool shells completely on the rack 20 minutes before filling to prevent sogginess and preserve feet. Prepare a buttercream or ganache filling and measure 20-25 g per shell to ensure consistent sandwich size. Fill and press gently to join pairs. Store filled macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator and age 24-48 hours to develop chew and correct moisture balance. Bring to room temperature 30 minutes before serving. Troubleshoot. If shells crack or lack feet, reduce stovetop heat and extend resting time by 10-20 minutes for the next batch, and ensure dry skins formed before cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.